Hi, welcome back. You're still tuned into Chartbusters on CNBC TV18. Well, the markets, they are doing well. It's a 42-point uptick on the Nifty, so it's a good time to get a technical check on the markets. Sacchitanand Uttekar is joining us now. Sacchitanand, good morning. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, it's the weekly options expiry day. What are the charts suggesting? Will we see some more buying from these levels?
Good morning. Well, it has been a very steady opening, and if you look at the entire sequence, I think it looks like a good trending session for the day. So if you look at Nifty IT, that is the main contributor, and in case if we see a breakout somewhere close to 28,500 on Nifty IT index, and probably we may see this particular momentum getting carried forward. So if you look at Nifty per se, it managed to sustain above the previous day swing low, and I think 16,480 should not be violated during the day. We are expecting the expiry to shape up somewhere close to 16,600, 650 kind of a zone. So probably we may see another round of buying, coming in the second half. So if you look at both the indices, I think Nifty is one shade better because of the IT play, and probably we may see an extended move here. So I think recommending long position even at this juncture should be a prudent idea. 16,480 should be the stop loss for Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, I think the trigger is awaited at 36,180. And once we have a breakout sustaining above this, probably we may see even banking stocks getting into action. We are expecting the Bank Nifty expiry to shape up somewhere close to 36,100 to 36,400 within this particular band. So net, I think the session should be on the positive side.
Right, take that point. A lot of individual stocks are doing extremely well, Sacchitanand. We have Tata Communications, which is up 8%. Cummins, we were just talking about that, up 3%. Dalmia Bharat too has recovered a fair bit from lows. Individual stocks, would you go with mid caps or would you go with large caps?
Good morning, Mangalam. I'll stick to the large caps. In fact, if you look at the IT play, there is a substantial evidence which is showing that the index itself is stabilizing. After almost 8 weeks of down move, we have seen the Nifty IT index sustaining above its 5-week exponential moving average, which is trending somewhere close to 27,800. And this particular set looks steady. So probably we may see further extended moves in the coming week, and we are expecting this particular rally in Nifty IT index to continue towards 30,000. So Infosys, could be another contributor here. We have already seen a steady trend for the last 4 trading sessions, but especially if you look at the last 8 weeks, it has been oscillating within this band of 1540 on the higher side and 1400 on the lower side. So this particular oscillation now looks very mature. On the daily scale, we are having an evidence of a breakout from a rounding bottom formation. The Nifty, the RSI on the daily scale has moved above the 60 mark, and in today's session itself, we have again 3% OI addition, so indicating fresh longs here. So we are expecting Infosys to continue its rally towards its 200-day exponential moving average, which is placed at 1,600. The stop loss should be placed at 1505, and fresh long additions should be added in Infosys. Tata Consumer Products is one of the trending stocks. So if you look at the structure there, it has been locked into a secular bull run. It has managed to regain the last 3 months losses within 15 days. So clearly there are signs of fresh impulse getting built in. We have a bullish flag pattern breakout in today's session. So we are expecting this particular rally in Tata Consumer Products to continue towards 860 zone. Stop loss should be placed at 796, and we are recommending fresh long positions in Tata Consumer Products as well.
All right, Sacchitanand, thanks a lot for joining us and taking us through your technical bets. That's all about technical aspects.